You are the
Careful.
game master.
Try that one more time.
You are the game master.
You're goddamn right.
Oh. All right. Oh yeah.
Let's do this for real.
Totally forgot about that last.
Let's do this for real.
Oh.
Oh God. My will be the crown of my creation. Actually, their technology is so far ahead of the competition that I decided to upgrade all the rack security with their robots. They are due to be deployed there within the next few minutes. Now, there's just one thing missing to complete my masterpiece. I chose as usual, you will be generously compensated.
All right, I've heard enough.
Like, oh my God!
Uh-oh.
Oh, dang it!
Oh,
Oh, God. Somewhere. Oh, it's in
2
here.
meters above us. Oh, or below us. Stand back.
No, 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 no! Oh, God. Stand back. That is so good. All right. I'm not gonna say it.
Say it.
No, I didn't say. All right. Oh.
Come on. There we go.
I think you got it. Going up. Which floor? This isn't my floor. See ya.
Oh. Hold on. Hold the elevator.
Whoa, oh God!
All right. Not gonna say it.
God. If I'm going down, I'm going out in style. Oh God, I didn't say.
He's down.
It's not working.
Move.
Maybe I should shoot the lock. Oh. What the heck, man? Maybe I should shoot the lock. Skillfully shoots lock off. Meanwhile, John shoots entire cage with rocket launcher.
Hold on, I got this. Oh,
I got this.
I get this. Oh. What? I died from impact.
Oh, I'm alive. How am I alive?
Oh,
Ain't
he's
no
right
way.
here.
Ain't no way we survived.
There's another one.
Oh, he's. Oh gosh. Let's do this for real. I don't want to see Ronda Rousey and Gina Carano fight each other. I'm good. Random Microsoft ads. Just
Are you sure?
You want to see these two women beat each other up? All right, let's do this. That worked. I just like to raise your blood pressure up a little bit. Oh my God.
Now what are you gonna? Oh. Thanks.
Ah, dang it! I fell down.
Better not get. What is it? Smashed or impact?
Smashed.
Better not get smashed. Right now.
You better not get smashed. That's wasn't the plan. It's the long side. Is anyone outside? No. Oh
what
my
the
God!
heck?
What? No, why did you do that?
What
Oh
the
God!
heck?
Oh my God! Oh dang it!
Just flew.
It's fantastic. If that had blew up, I would have just left the game.
How did I have precision? That's right. All right.
These
We
things
got
blow
them.
up on impact. No.
Let's find out.
All right. Oh, this one comes with a box.
Oh yeah.
Oh, frick. Roxanne!
Let me help you with that.
Roxanne! Oh.
Not again.
I wasn't able to catch it.
Can this thing explode on impact?
It in fact does. Oh, hold on. Can we get him in the safe? Is there a way to open this?
I think he's too big for that.
Oh. Oh.
Bro, what are you doing?
That was so funny. Literally, the last thing I saw as I fell to the ground was you running by, going, "Bro, what are you doing?" Just put enough on him.
There we go. I think we're good.
What are you gonna do, buddy?
Oh my! Wait, he's coming out of the planks.
I'm gay.
You what?
Stay on top of him. Stay on top of him. I'm gonna get the nitroglycerin.
You got a forklift, bro.
Oh, I do. But I'm not forklift certified.
It's okay. Believe in you.
Thank you.
Watch you explode it as soon as you
I
touch
saw
it.
this in Fortnite once. I'm stuck. All right, let's get out of here. Going out the window. Oh wait, these things blow up on impact.
You got this.
I
Just
got this.
catch it. It's
Just
not like
gotta
you could die
kiss
from
it.
impact.
You're right. I can't die from impact. Jumps off the cliff.
I saw this in Fortnite once.
Oh shoot!
Oh, he's already shooting at me. Don't even give me a chance. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa,
Shoot.
whoa.
Oh god!
Oh. Here he comes.
Oh no, there's two.
What?
I gotta get to the elevator. Keep him distracted.
I'll keep this wall here.
Oh! Better lock them doors and pull them lights down low. Oh, that robot's coming straight for me.
It's turn them lights down low, buddy.
Did I say?
Pull them lights.
I said turn them. Did I? Did I say pull them?
You said pull them
Better lock
lights
them
down
doors and
low.
pull them lights down low. All right, you're gonna need to drive your truck into that doorway.
All right.
Can you do that?
I can do that. Ooh.
Just enough to do that.
Hold on, hold on. Hold on, hold
Can you
on. Hold on, hold on, hold on.
can you do this?
Hold on. I got
Hold on, just
Hold
made it
on.
all the way down. All right, you ready?
Let's do this for real. Wait, 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 wait. Whoa, whoa.
Oh, I made an oopsie.
Oh my.
Wait, oh, God. Oh, dang it.
Oh, dang it.
Screw it, I'm going for another one.
No, you ain't.
Oh, God.
Go, go, go. Move.
I'm going, I'm just too heavy. Oh gosh, dang it.
Deja vu. Oh.
Dude, did you just crash? You just total your car, bro?
I smashed
Weren't even
myself.
covered by Geico? you what?
Yeah, I just jumped over here. For no.
Draw him out. Draw him out. Oh shoot! That wasn't
Are
good.
you
That wasn't
kidding
good. Oh no, I did a quick save. No.
You are the worst player. I am ashamed to have you in this lobby.
Oh God.
You unintellectual, mediocre droid.
Mediocre. I saw this Fortnite once.
Oh, hey, chew.
Whoa.
I'm steamrolling through.
That.
Oh yeah.
that-
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Are you winning, son? Oh gosh, dang it. Hold on.
What did you do?
One of the boards is like not good, not in a good spot. What the heck? What happened? Going down. I'm yelling timber.
I'm going
You won't
down.
remember.
I'm going
Okay.
down.
We're-
I'm going
I'm
down.
going. I'm going down. I'm going down. What are you doing?
Here we go.
Sorry, Johnny's about to do something. Probably a really bad idea.
Oh. Hold on.
Johnny?
Hold on. I got this.
Johnny, these things don't have suspension on them. Are you
Oh,
pulling
yeah.
that thing with a cable?
Oh,
Oh
yeah.
my God.
Hold on. Hold on,
Oh,
hold
no.
on, hold on.
The one we spent the last hour on? You just blew me up, dude. I didn't deserve that. Wait, what's happening?
This.
Just a wiggle with a launcher. Oh. Oh.
With the noggin launcher?
Dinner tomorrow. Business has been really good lately. I think we should celebrate.
Oh my gosh, you're floating. You're literally sitting
Tracy
in thin
wants
air.
to make dinner. What? I've arranged a small gift since we have managed to keep each other's identities and whereabouts concealed. I had it placed in your in the. Yo,
Oh. What are you doing off the nitroglycerin that I just put there for you? It's my nitroglycerin tree. Like it?
Oh, I do. Yo, dude. Oh! Can I just cut right through it?
You can try.
Oh God! Oh, God. I can't wait. I can't beat him. I guess it's just piano time.
Oh yeah? You want to go that route?
Oh
Oh
God!
gosh.
Yeah. How you like this?
Oh god. It doesn't spill out? You sure? It's spilling out. Oh god.
Is it explosive?
I
It's
pulled
spilling
out
out.
my gun and shot it.
It's not spilling out.
I like my
All right.
present, Daddy.
I'm gonna stop touching my mods now.
You're gonna stop touching what? Who?
Let me be clear.
Oh,
What
hello.
were we supposed to do? Oh God.
We can take
Oh,
him
actually,
down
I think you
now.
broke him. I think you broke him. Yo, he's dead. You got him. No,
Oh,
never mind.
No. He's almost
One
dead.
more shot. Just get it. One more in the face. Yeah, clean in the face. How do you like bombs? God, I think you got him. Oh.
Daddy's got a
Don't
new
hit
toy.
the. I think this thing's explosive.
Oh. I got this. Oh.
I got this.
Oh,
Looks like
no.
you missed.
About that tank you just gave me.
Here, you just gotta. Oh, I can't even get in it. Oh, come on.
Let's go.
You just know too much. You gotta go.
There you go. Bye bye.
Nice.
Bye bye.
What the heck is happening?
Oh,
What the heck
dang
happened?
it.
Did you just run me off?
What are you doing on the road?
Oh my God! Can I get a shotgun to the face real quick? Nope, that didn't work.
All right. Here we go. Vehicle thrusters.
Dude, oh my God! Yo, that was awesome. That was awesome. Holy crap! You went through the entire building.
That was worth
I
losing
can
the
live. I can live with that. You go. No, I know, bro. Let's try it again. Let's do this for
For
real.
real.
All right, I'll rig you
right.
up with the vehicle thrusters.
Watch
Just
out,
back
I'm
up.
coming through.
Yeah, dude. So,
Why are you always in my way?
why'd you go through a different way?
All right.
Coming out.
I
Get
don't
him.
like people who come out. Ah.
Oh, my God. Oh, I gotta take it.
I love them. No.
Hadouken.
Oh, he just flew.
Okay.
What the heck?
Did I?
Jason's like, I found some games,
Oh, yeah?
cheap games we could play. I'm like, oh really? Just asking what they are.
$65.
Jason,
It's
you do not
$5.
understand money. It's $5 if you want the soundtrack too. I think it's a good deal. We should get it, guys. Gambling with your friends and smithing game.
Jason, no.
I saw
Drag him out. I think we're gonna get him. Never mind. We better leave.
Yeah, I think you should.
We better get out of here. Oh God.
Hey, 6 minutes. I bet.
Dude, are you kidding me?
Yeah.
All the supports, you know. Wait, Johnny. Wait, Johnny. I thought you were about to go right. The nitroglycerin.
I didn't know it was there.
The timing was so good.